Hey everyone, having trouble sending picture messages on Metro? You're not alone. Metro PCS, now operating under T-Mobile, sometimes has MMS issues, especially with picture messages. MMS, or Multimedia Messaging Service, is how your phone sends photos and videos over the cellular network. But it needs a data connection and specific settings to work correctly. If your pictures aren't sending, it could be because MMS needs mobile data. Wi-Fi won't work for MMS. Other common issues include corrupted settings or temporary network glitches. Let's try some quick fixes that often resolve these issues. First, make sure you have mobile data turned on in your phone's settings. MMS requires a cellular data connection to send pictures. Second, try restarting your phone. This clears temporary glitches that might be preventing messages from sending. Third, toggle airplane mode on and off. Turn it on for about 10 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection. Fourth, as a last resort, reset your network settings in your phone's settings menu. This will restore default network configurations. Remember these key takeaways. MMS requires mobile data, not Wi-Fi. Quick restarts often fix glitches, and reset settings as a last resort if other steps don't work. If the quick fixes didn't work, the next step is to check your APN or access point name settings. These settings tell your phone how to connect to the T-Mobile network for data and MMS. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet Access Point Names. Make sure your APN settings match T-Mobile's standards. A common setting is fast.tmobile.com for data. On iPhone, it's under Settings, Cellular Data Options. Check that your APN settings match T-Mobile's standards. You can find the exact settings on T-Mobile's website or by contacting their support. If issues persist, contacting T-Mobile support is your best bet, as they can remotely adjust your APN settings. One last thing to note is that MMS is becoming less common as more people switch to RCS, or Rich Communication Services, which is more reliable and offers better features. MMS is expected to disappear in the next few years. Key takeaways: APN settings connect you to T-Mobile's network. Check settings on Android or iPhone. Contact support if needed. And remember, RCS is the future for better messaging. These steps should help you get your picture messages sending on Metro.